Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the latest version of Python on your Windows 11 PC. So to download, first you just need to go to your browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and here I need to search for Python. Just type Python here and search it for, and you can see you can find this link here, python.org, which is the official website of Python. So you just need to click on this. And after coming to this website, you can see there's an option of downloads, and you can see this is the latest version of Python 3.14.2. So to download this, just click on this link, and as you can see, it's automatically downloading on my PC, which is only 28 MB. So after downloading this, you need to go to the folder. So download has been completed. Click on the folder. Now, as you can see, here's the Python installer. Double click to open this. Here is the installer widget. So we're going to minimize everything. So make sure to check this use admin privilege when installing py.exe. Also check mark the add python.exe to path. Then click on this customize installation. And here you need to check mark all this. Check mark pip also, which is going to help you to download other Python packages. And also for the IDLE where you can run Python. Now just click next. Now here you need to check mark this install Python 3.14 for all users, so you can also use it as the administrator level. And here's the customize install location. You can customize it, click on this browse, but for this default I'm just going to install on the C program, and click install. Click yes, and it's going to install the Python exe on your PC. So you just need to wait for a couple of seconds here. As you can see, our Python setup was successful. Now we're going to just click close, and now we're going to check if our Python latest version is successfully installed or not. So to do that, you need to go to the search bar and search for cmd and run the command prompt here. And here you need to type Python space -- version version and press enter. And as you can see, this is showing that Python 3.14.2, which is the latest version, has been successfully installed on my PC. So this is how you can download and install the Python on your PC. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.